Hi, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see currency format in Excel. If you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. So what is the agenda today? Let's learn currency format, how to change to another currency. Okay. I will show you with a simple example. If you see, all these are the different amounts. So you have a negative amounts. Let me try to keep it zero. Okay. So let's try to check how extend it works. So simply you can select this column. Okay. So currently it is in general. You can select the currency. Okay. So this is currently it is selected with rupee. Okay. If you would like to change it to another currency, then what you can able to do it, come here. Okay. So this is for decimals again, like what is our decimals? If I would like to increase, I can able to increase like that. That's not an issue. So what is my target? Okay. So you can able to see this. I would like to change it to maybe another currency. So I would like to change it to Russian. If you say okay, it will be changed to Russian currency. Okay. In the similar way, if you come here, if I would like to change it to maybe something like any other currency. Okay. So let me check. So let me check. British, okay. British pound actually, Great Britain. So if I would like to change it, I can able to change it. So GBP with text also you can able to display it. Okay. So or else if you would like to check the with symbol, that also you can able to do it. So let me take it to New Zealand. Okay. So I can able to take like this. If I want it, some symbol also, I can able to do that. So let me put it. So if you want to USD, you can able to keep it. Let me try to put it the symbol. So these many are there available. For make Persian. Okay, this is text actually. Basically, let's go to the top. So let's keep it this dollar. Okay. If you want, I can able to change like this. This is all about your currency. If you don't want it in currency, let's put it in number. It will be changed to number. If we wanted to keep it general, it will be changed to general. Like that, you can able to maintain currency. Okay, let's make it default currency. It is coming as rupee. Okay, so you can able to play with the system like that. Let's try to change one more Canadian dollars. If you want to make it, you can keep it. Okay, symbol or else text, you can able to play that. Next session, we're going to see accounting format. Okay, we have seen the currency, accounting format. What is the basic difference between currency and accounting format? Thank you so much. Have a great day.